2019 Lexus NX 300 hours review. With good fuel economy, roomy back seats as well as a smooth ride, there is a lot to like in regards to the NX 300 hours. After some very minor updates recently, the Lexus NX 300 hours returns unchanged for 2019. As the hybrid version with the gasoline NX 300, it gives you excellent fuel economy. Its estimated 31 miles per gallon in combined city highway driving is unchallenged on the list of small luxury crossover SUV segment. The hybrid powertrain doesn't suck lifespan out in the experience either. Fascias adequate power, along with the added oomph on the electric motors, ensure it is feel pleasantly responsive when excel from a stop. Like a normal NX 300, the 300 hours boasts roomy rear seats along with a smooth and quiet highway ride. Unfortunately, both NX models are afflicted by a smaller than average cargo capacity as well as an infotainment system which is often distracting to make use of. All things considered, though, the 2019 Lexus NX 300 hours is often a sensible choice among entry-level luxury crossovers. It smartly balances refinement, comfort and style with frugality in the gas pump. What's new? The 2019 Lexus NX 300 hours returns unchanged. The 2019 Lexus NX 300 hours is just available in one trim level, which means your only decision for making is how to option it. We suggest adding the comfort package for the heated and ventilated front seats and blind spot monitoring. Because you can't get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto smartphone integration for the NX, adding the navigation package can also be a wise choice. Trim levels and features. The 2019 Lexus NX 300 hours can be a 5-seat compact hybrid SUV obtainable in just one version. Its 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine and hybrid system deliver a combined power of 194 horsepower. It is available simply with all-wheel drive. A variety of option packages combine popular features, several of which are available as standalone options. Standard equipment includes 17-inch wheels, LED headlights, LED fog lights and running lights, keyless ignition and entry, automatic dual-zone climate control, power-adjustable front seats, simulated leather upholstery Lexus Nulux, a 6040 split folding and reclining back seat, an 8-inch infotainment display, a touchpad interface, Scout GPS navigation app integration, Lexus Inform connectivity with 4G Wi-Fi, plus an 8-speaker subwoofer. Also included are adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning and intervention, and automatic high beams. Available option packages help buyers make the most out of their NX. The navigation package, by way of example, features a larger 10.3-inch display, informed destination assist, an auto-dimming rear view mirror along with a 10-speaker speakers. A comfort package incorporates heated and ventilated front seats, blind spot monitoring and auto-dimming side mirrors. The premium package incorporates the items from your comfort package and adds a sunroof, driver seat memory settings, 18-inch wheels, a power-adjustable leader, and enhanced LED daytime running lights with integrated turn signals. Finally, a luxury package incorporates what you get in the premium package and adds leather seating surfaces, wood interior pieces, automatic wipers and also a heated leather leader. Standalone options will include a hands-free liftgate, parking sensors, adaptive headlights and power-folding rear seats. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions that happen to be fundamentally similar. The S on this review provide our full test on the Lexus NX 300 hours 2.5 liters inline-4 hybrid, AWD. Note: Since this test was conducted in 2015, the present NX 300 hours has brought some revisions, including a revised infotainment interface along with the addition of varied driver assistance features. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the year's NX 300 hours. Driving. There's nothing overly noteworthy in terms in the NX 300 HS performance. It's far from quick, however it's also not turtle slow. Around town braking action is usually annoying, even so the steering and handling are predictable and no less than somewhat entertaining. Acceleration. A 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine coupled with electric motors spins up an overall of 194 horsepower. Acceleration at our test facility wasn't impressive, expect 060 miles per hour period of 8.4 seconds. However, the NX 300 hours feels reasonably peppy out around the road. Braking. The NX 300 hours stopped from 60 miles per hour in mere 118 feet at our test track, which can be decent. Stability was excellent. But the pedal felt spongy, along with the regenerative braking action causes it to be difficult to properly modulate for smooth stops. Steering. The steering weight is within the heavier side. However, it tracks perfectly along the highway. There's reasonable precision, plus it offers no less than some feedback on mountain roads. Understeer doesn't occur as quickly as you'd expect. Handling. The NX 300 hours is a halfway fun SUV to push around turns. Body lean through corners is actually noticeable, but that is to be expected of the vehicle such as this. It's easy to control. Drivability. The CVT automatic keeps the engine for a constant high RPM if you're driving up long uphill grades. It can get annoying as can the terribly inconsistent braking action. Comfort. The NX 300 hours is supple, well-padded front seats and soft armrests around. It's also quiet, although CVT automatic will sometimes wind the engine out. The ride is comfy about the highway and country toll-ins, but it is usually harsh out and about. Seat comfort. The front seats are superb with plush cushions for all-day comfort, plus well-padded armrests. The rear seats are perched up high, therefore you sit more about them when compared to them. The rear seat backs, however, do recline. Ride comfort. The NX 300 hours absorbs big bumps well but struggles to damp the smaller ripples which come all at once. The comfy seats assist with cushioning things, but only to some extent. Noise and vibration. It's pretty quiet in the NX 300 hours. You hear some regenerative braking whine, along with the large side mirrors give some wind whistling, though the tires are silent around the highway. There's little engine noise at cruising speeds. Interior. The interior styling is really a bit funky, yet it's nothing objectionable. Outward visibility is quite good, getting into and out from the car is straightforward, and a lot controls possess a nice feel. But the finger-controlled remote touch method is irksome. Is beneficial. The controls employ a nice heft and fluidity for them. The tire isn't cluttered with buttons. The optional remote touch tracepad is hard to make use of while driving. Getting in or getting out. The large front doors open wide. The seats have rather large bolsters, but they also don't get in terms. Near perfect steep in height. The rear doors don't open wide, along with the high-pitched seat pushes you to duck to prevent hitting your head for the roof. Roominess. Front headroom is fantastic. Rear headroom is decent for the high seats. It should be comfortable for a few adults. Visibility. The windshield and side roof pillars are slender, nevertheless the rear pillars are thick. The roof also slopes dramatically, creating a small rear window. The large side mirrors help. Quality. We were impressed with all the overall quality from the NX 300 hours. You'll find plenty of soft leather around. The controls and shifter feel great, plus the armrests are well padded. There are interesting textures and little in the manner of cheap plastics. Utility. The cargo area is definitely accessible and contains a wide opening, nevertheless the volume itself is rather small. Things are a tad better inside cabin. Here are a few choices for stashing those things you use every day. Small item storage. There's no front bin, but there is however a decent size armrest bin with twin USB ports. The long door pockets have bottle holders. The center console cup holders come with an anti-tip design. Cargo space. The cargo space behind the back seats holds just 16.8 cubic feet. Folding along the seats gives you a full of 53.7 cubic feet. This is subpar for any luxury crossover with this class. With the seats up, it's less spacious than even some subcompact crossovers.